Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys eyes protection mode guys. How can we disable it? Friends, you want to disable guys your Samsung phone eyes protection mode. So man, how can we disable today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable it. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting in your phone. Friends, click on guys phone display and brightness. Again scroll. Once you can see your eye comfort mode setting guys, means eyes protection guys, you can disable from here. After disable guys, skin color will normal, skin color will default, and we cannot use guys eyes protection mode setting guys. So like that guys, you can disable guys your Samsung phone guys eyes protection mode setting. So I hope friends you understood how to disable Samsung phone eyes protection mode. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys so display and brightness setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.